Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone had a great holiday. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the Scrap Diva Designs January 2025 release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting January 8th and get a 10% discount using the code PRISGEMIC10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First we have this flip top box, and it includes a circle tag, and the edges are scalloped with the word love that you can layer on top of the tag. And this flip top box, it's a box that flips, and yeah, I can't wait to show you how this looks. And here we have a Valentine Harp Memorydex. It's really cute, and you could layer this part on top of the harp, and the harp strings have some hearts at the end of it. It looks really cute. And it also has some of these dotted lines to make it look like it's stitched. And here we have a 3D locker. Super cute. And this one is called the heart-shaped Paperclips. Looks like there's like 3 different sizes, and it looks like you can also make it into a shaker. These ones are called Valentine Words number 3, and the words in here are hot stuff, love you, always and forever, be mine, lots of love, sprinkled with love, and Galentine. And here we have some Valentine Gnome add-ons. It looks like there's like 3 different types of balloons with this heart lollipop sucker or something with the wrapper here, and more hearts, and this arrow that's shooting hearts, and the balloons. It looks like the balloons spell out I love you or something. And yeah, it looks really cute, and it's a gnome add-on. And here we have some heart cherries. These look so cool, and I can't wait to work with these. And this one is called Carrot Gift Box Gnome Add-on. So there's this carrot box, tree box here, and you can add this gnome on it. So yeah, and this gnome is like holding an arrow, and let's see what these words are. These words says love XOXO. And let's see what's next. We have this word die called Valentine. It looks really nice. It's like one of those scroll Valentine fonts. So it's like really nice, and it's layered with a shadow die at the back. And here we have a, let's see, what's this one? Heart suitcase tags. So it's really cute to add on to you know, the suitcase box. And I'm thinking maybe it could go on a real suitcase using like maybe vinyl. I don't know. I'll try it and see. But yeah, this looks cool. Next we have this ticket mini album, and it has the words Emit One and Kisses. Kisses, oh, it says Kissing Booth here, and it's pretty cute, this ticket mini album. Look how cute this is. And it has these flaps here, which you can glue onto maybe like part of the binding here. And now we have this, let's see what, Valentine word tags, And the words are be mine, Cupid, love, kisses, friend, and hugs. I hope I'm not missing any, but super cute. And here we have a gift card pocket, and there's also including a word that says be beautiful. So it's like B-E and then Y-O-U, beautiful. And it's super cute. And here we have some Valentine words number 4, and it's called Be Mine. The words are Be Mine, hugs, party, love, and thanks. And these ones are Harp bottle shaker set, and there's 3 of them, and you can make them into shakers. They look really cute and adorable. And on these hearts, it says Love Potion. And here we have a Valentine car mini album, super cute. It has these license plates that says love on them. And yeah, it has all these little decorations for the car. And this one is called 3x3-inch envelope with liner. And it includes a heart doily edge circle. It's so cute. I can't wait to make something out of this. And I think it goes great with, let's see here, the stamp set maybe. These, because this includes a heart doily edge circle in the back somewhere here, you can stamp a little message and maybe hang it as a tag like here and put it in this like envelope, and then you can use this tab to pull it out and it'll have like a Valentine's message. And next is this Valentine heart bag topper. It's so adorable. And here you see the harp again and some more layering on top of the heart to make it 3-dimensional. And it comes in a small, I think it comes in a small, let me see here, a small and a large size. And here we have a Valentine Stamp 2025. And the words are whisked with love, love is sweet, like cupcakes, little Miss Heartbreaker, will you be my Valentine, you hold the key to my heart. And also stealing hearts like Cupid, always and forever, stealing hearts like. And yeah, that's it for this one. And finally we have this love stamp and die set. And the words here are date, Cupid, love you, amazing, invitation, chocolate, handsome, kindness, keepsake, precious, darling, and gifts. And it includes this die to stamp out the tag, and it's like a really cute little tag that you can hang onto some bottles or your Valentine gifts. It's like very adorable. And yeah, that's about it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and also these will be out on January 8th. I will include the links, and don't forget there's a discount. The code is Prisgemic for 10% off. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.